In this video, I will show you how you can do on-page SEO in Shopify and optimize your Shopify store for better Google ranking. First of all, the first step we have to do is click on Online Store and we click on Preferences. And then we can see the search engine listing. First of all, you want to add your homepage title. My shop is about stuffed animals, so I add soft and cuddly stuffed animals. And I add an engagement hook. And if there's space for it, you can add your own brand name. I added my brand name last. After that, we have the meta description. You add an engagement hook, a lot of adverbs to create dynamic text. You also include your stuffed animals, and you include a synonym for a stuffed animal, which is plush. That people that also search for stuffed animals also search for plush. And you create an engaging text. Keep it under 150 characters to make sure that Google doesn't cut it off, and make sure to keep it all. If you want extra dynamic, you can add an emoji here. I have done this in some of my others, but we'll come in on that later. After you have made this, you can start modifying your products. As you can see right here, I have a orange stuffed animal, and this is what I add in my title. And then I add a dynamic description. I add perfect gift for your loved ones, which is an engagement hook. Then I want to include bullet points because Google loves bullet points. 3 to 5 of these, where you add dimensions and materials and use cases. And then I also add a link down here. You can read about it in our blog post. So if we go in here and we click on view, come into my Shopify store, and we can click right here, and you can see I can click on this, and then I will come into this link. And in this link, this is the link leads to a blog post. And as you can see right here, this is my blog post. I created this with ChatGPT. It takes 2 seconds to make a blog post, which is very, very good for SEO. And as you can see right here, it also includes bullet points. And if you have any keywords in here, you can add them. I added the orange stuffed animal, so if I go onto my blog post, I can go down here and I can click on it, and it will lead me to my product. This will make sure that it ranks better in Google because it's pages internal linking to each other, which is a good sign for Google. The next step you want to do after you have done all of this is you want to make sure that every picture you have, you want to edit the alt text. So if I have a picture of an orange stuffed animal or something, I want to make sure that I link a keyword to it in here, and I click on save, and that's it. Now we can head back to our products, because what is probably the most important is down here in the meta description. And in your page title, you can add orange stuffed animals. If you have a brand, you can also add your brand name at the last. Then you want to add a meta description, which includes keywords, but also make sure that the customer clicks on it. You want to make sure that it doesn't end up being something like this that is not understandable. This is my bullet points from above, as you can see right here. But down here, it doesn't convert, so you have to write something your own. In the URL handle, keep it simple, and make sure that it is not just a lot of numbers and characters. This meta description you also want to keep under 150 characters. And that's what you want to do for all of your products, all of your blog posts, and all of your pages on Shopify. Make sure to go in and also edit the pictures, as you can see right here, And if you do this, you will rank better on Google organically, and you will create organically traffic.